Hi everybody, welcome to today's lesson number patterns. Today we are going to look at the number patterns. The natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These are called the counting numbers. We can create different number patterns from these counting numbers. For example, 1, 3, 7, 9. This is a set of odd numbers less than 10. Similarly, let us write the odd numbers from 3 to 11 in ascending order. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. The next one is finite number pattern, where the number of term is finite. Let's try the even numbers starting from 2 in ascending order. 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. These are the different number patterns. For example, number 1, prime numbers between 1 and 17, written in ascending order. That is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. Odd numbers starting from 1, written in ascending order. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Number pattern starting from 1 and followed by the terms 2 and 1 written alternatively. That is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, and 5 and 8 are consecutive terms. Here, common difference is 8 minus 5, we get the 3. Find common difference of the following number patterns. Number 1, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Number 2, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Write down the first 5 terms of the following number patterns. Number 1, first term is 7 and the common difference is 3. The number pattern you will get for this one, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. The first term 14 and the common difference is 4. The number pattern we will get, we will have to work out on that for the next two also. First term 6, common difference 6. Similarly, first term 12, common difference 8. These are for you to work out. Write down the next 2 terms of the following sequences. Following the number pattern is created, multiplied the previous term by 2. Following the number pattern is created, first added 2 and then multiplied by 2. 2, 4, 8, 10, and 20. Fill in the blanks to generate different number patterns. General term of a number pattern. Let's look at how to find out any term of a number pattern. When the nth term of a number pattern is written as an algebraic expression in n, it is called the general term of the number pattern. Let's consider the number pattern of the multiples of 2, starting from 2 and written in ascending order. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. In here, first term is 2 into 1. The second term is 2 into 2. Third term is 2 into 3, and so on. Fourth term is 2 into 4. That is going on that. 10th term is 2 into 10. Similarly, nth term here is 2 into n. So it's a common format for the general term for this number pattern is 2n. Let's consider the number pattern of the multiples of 3 starting from 3 and written in ascending order. That is 3, 6, 9, and 12. In here, first term is 3 into 1. Second term is 3 into 2, it is 6. third term is 3 into 3 is 9, fourth term is 3 into 4 is 12, and so on. Nth term is given by the 3 into n. So this the common term for this pattern is 3n, 3 into n. When we replace this, finding terms using general term. General term is 3n. Find the first three terms. And second is 10th term. Which term is 60? General term 3n. First term 3 into 1, 3. Second term 3 into 2, 6. Third term 3 into 3, 9. 10th term is 3 into 10, 30. So 3n is equal to 60. So which term is 60? N, we have to find out the n to find out which term is the 60. So when we get this one 3 by 3, 60 by 3, we divide both sides of the equation by 3, we'll get n equal 20. So the 20th term is the 60. General term is 5n. Find the first three terms. When the general term is 5n, when we find the first three term, we'll have to replace this n with n2 and 3. 11th term, we'll have to get the 11th term by substituting 11 for this 5n. Which term is 75 means we have get this common term 5n is equal to 75. N equal 75 divided by 5. Finish. So like that, we have to generate the different nth numbers for the common term. There are n, and there's another examples given here. So commonly fill in the blanks here. Number pattern given certain number. There are some number patterns given here. For those, first term is, for this number pattern, first term is 4. For this series, first term is 9. First term is 1 for this. First term is 8 for this. First term is 12 for this. So all of these 5 number patterns, you will get the first terms here, and according to that, you will have to find out the general term is 4n for this one. When we represent this, when we substitute 1 for here, 4, we'll get the 4 first term. The 2 for here, we'll get the second term. Similarly, when we replace n with 1, we'll get the first term, and when we replace with the 2 n here, 18, like that the other one, n for 1, n for 1 and 2, 1 2 3 4, and the n for 8 and 16. Find the general term for the odd numbers. For the odd numbers, that's the first couple of odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. When we look at this example, the first term is first term for the first term, even number and the odd number. We have considered here odd numbers. So for the odd numbers, first term is 1, second term is 3, third term is 5, 7, 19, 10th term is 19, 20th is 39, and so on. So for this one, the common term is 2n minus 1. Like that, for the even numbers, from the first even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 20, 40. For this one, common term we will get 2n. When we replace, when we want to get the first number, we'll have to substitute 1 for the n. So we'll get 1 or 2 as a first number, even numbers, like that 4, 6, 8, 20. That's a general term. Square numbers. Next one is the square numbers. What is square numbers? When you get the squaring the natural numbers, That means first is the 1, 1 square is 1. The second is the 2, 2 square is 4. Third one is 3, 3 square is 9. Fourth one is the 4, 4 square is square of 4 is 16. Like that, here is the pattern of squares forming squares which length and width are the same. So first term is then 1 by 1. The second term is to get the 4, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. Eighth term, 8 by 8. Like that, ninth term, 9 by 9. Finally, nth term is n to n by n squared. So general term for the square numbers is equal to n squared. For example, find the 10th square number. General term n squared for the n we replace with the 10. 10 squared, 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is the 100. So the square, find the 10th square number is the 100. So like that, the 12th. 12 into 12, 144. Triangular numbers. Next one is the triangular numbers. What are the triangular numbers? 1, then the 3, then the 6. When you get the shape of this triangular, it is called the triangular numbers. For example, 1, 3, 6, 10, and 15. First term is 1, second term is 1 plus 2, third term is 1 plus 2 plus 3, fourth term 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, fifth term is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 5 is obtained by adding the first and the last terms. The following are two such terms to get the 5. So 5 into 2 is 10. So to get 5, you have to add the 5 into 2, 10. Similarly, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5, 6 plus 7 plus 8. To find 8th triangular number, 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Is obtained by adding first and last term. The following are four such terms. 9 into 4, 36. So the nth triangular number, the equation for the to find the nth triangular number is equal to number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. According to this, 8 by 2 into first term plus last term is the 1 plus 8 is 9. So 8 by 2 is the 4. 4 into 9, 36. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.